Alright guys, we're back. Check this out. Euro Japanese yen. I just increased my position here. I initiated here a bullish position just yesterday. When price was breaking, take a look at this. 125.03. Right? That was my main point of reference. That's the mid-low resistance level. It was a resistance up until yesterday. And it was my trigger level. And I decided to focus on the euro yen only from the short-term perspective, even though we do have a solid, strong setup coming from the weekly chart. So we do have a strong setup for the long-term perspective as well. But here, I mean, it's obvious. We can see that price is trading sideways ever since that moment, right? Roughly around, that was probably around the end of February last month. Well, a couple of months ago. Ever since then, price was building up. Take a look, 3 legs. Now, the third leg here, that's what's interesting. So you see the line I just draw here. That's actually the 38.2 Fibonacci correction for the whole upside move. Take a look from the bottom of that, from the very lowest low on that spike all the way to here. 38.2 will cross right there. So we had a very interesting reaction on that. And also price took the previous low, began to turn around, and then of course broke the 125.03. Now you can actually see that I pulled the trigger here yesterday before price broke 125.03, right? I was actually convinced that it's going to do so, and by breaking it today, kind of confirming that break, that allowed me to reinforce the position with one more trade. So if price will continue to hammer, I'll just keep adding more trades until we hit 126.33. That's going to be a secondary target. So, you know, we're talking about only about 100 pip. And final destination, 126.73, which my plan is to get out altogether, to get out completely, close that position. Now, I do think price can have more than, you know, it's more likely to actually continue, drill into that higher section. However, the risk here is that at some point, we're not sure where, it could reverse and generate another downside leg. That's the nature of sideways movement, right? And we can't call this leg as the last one to break out of that blue system. We just can't do that because it's just the fourth leg. Now I'm going to take you to the bigger picture here just to show you what I'm talking about. The bigger picture, like I said, solid, strong, right? It's a very well established trading range. We can see already 4 legs, and I think we're looking at, you know, the beginning of the 5th. We already had the first upside segment, which was probably followed by a technical downside correction, right? When I say technical downside correction, obviously I'm referring to the whole move coming from the very tip of that spike. So if price is back on the upside again, we should see an upside segment that could easily go straight up, one shot, all the way to 130.22 without, you know, significant technical corrections along the way. So from the medium term perspective, we expect a 500 pip move all the way to 130.22. Should be interesting to follow up on this one. That's exactly what we'll do, and we'll keep you posted. See you tomorrow.